Hello, I'm Daniel from Temax Furniture Hardware. Today I want to show you, you can see, one of our hot ceiling drawer slider, undermount drawer slider. We also call the concealed drawer slider. This type, you can see. The hole, we have balloon hole and DTC hole. So all holes are available. The first I want to introduce is the thickness. This one is 3/4. Undermount drawer slider for 3/4, our thickness is 1.8 mm, 1.5 mm, 1 mm. For 2/4, I can show you later. For this undermount drawer slider, it can be used on 16 mm board and 18 mm board, depending on your cabinet needs. As this millimeter board, the 2 mm board, 16 and 18 mm board. As to the loading bearing, the loading bearing we have many types. The mostly used one is 25 kg. If you want to add more goods in your cabinet, we also have 35 kg loading bearing. Very high loading bearing. Added to the buckle. That's the third one I want to show you. This is our undermount drawer slider. This one is finished product. Okay, let me show you the buckle. We also call the handle. We have many types of handle. 1D handle, 1D handle, only one direction adjustment. 2D handle, no, not 2D, 3D handles, 3 direction, 3D handle. We call the left and right, front and back, up and down, 3 direction adjustment. This is balloon type handle. You can also choose this one. This is also our very hot selling one. The handle. Let me show you. The handle also has a very important function. It's a quick release. We also call it quick release handle. Not only just saying it's a 3D or maybe 1D handle. Let me show you. If you cannot see what I'm displaying clearly, you can see our later video will show you how to replace the cabinet and the undermount drawer slider. Press the handle, then the cabinet will be separate. You can see the handle is on this part. You press, not only press one part, you need to press 2 parts of the handle. Press the 2 parts, then the handle, the cabinet and the drawer slider will be separate. This is the handle installation way. Install is also simple. Just push it. Soft closing function. Soft close. This is a handle use. To a buffer, we have iron buffer. If you need a brass buffer is also acceptable. This is a plastic iron buffer, plastic buffer. We have many types of undermount drawer slider. The first one here, what I will share with you before is soft closing drawer slider. Soft close smoothly. It will protect your cabinet. The second I want to share with you is push open undermount drawer slider. Push open, it means when you press the handle, no need to install the. When you press the cabinet, no need to install the handle on the cabinet. Just press it, like our push open door system. Just press it, the cabin will open. This here cannot display it very clearly to you. You can watch this push open function in our later video. And the third one is push open together with the soft closing one. Handle release, no need to install any handle. Any interest about our undermount door slider or other tandem box, maybe door and door slide and ball bearing slider, you can leave a message to me. Today's product sharing is finished. If you have any interest about our product, this product or our product, we have many types. We can send the whole catalog of our door slider, like undermount door slider, tandem box, and ball bearing door slider to you. See you.